Well guys, we are debadging the R-Spec again. So far we got that main emblem off. What we're using today is a heat gun, some fishing line. We got the R-Spec logo off as well. As you can see, we have a couple supplies that we're using. We have a little decal remover, a couple more things over here. So I gotta refresh the car. Got a little eraser wheel so I can take off that remaining debris once it's done. And yeah, I also have this emblem on the hood, which is like, I gotta get under this somehow. That is gonna be something else. But we're making some progress. We're doing it all over again. Now we're making good progress. We're gonna just need to take off these letters and keep the 5.0 like we had before. And I realize there are 2 holes here. I'm gonna have to get these filled. I think these holes were filled previously because I had a wrap on the car, so I didn't notice it, but I'm gonna have to actually get these professionally patched up so that no water gets through to them. But stay tuned, and yeah, when this is fully debadged again, I will show you guys what the final product looks like with all the debris removed from the trunk and the hood. And if you guys are wondering the method I actually use to debadge the car, again, I said this is a fishing line that I'm using. I think it's 0.45 millimeters, I believe. But fishing line with a cordless heat gun works pretty good. And you just basically heat up the letters a little bit like this. A couple seconds, not too much. Get it behind the letters and then wiggle the fishing line side to side, left to right, until you get all of this debris and adhesive off. Hope it helps. Putting these old tires back on the gen. Well, they're new tires, but we're sticking the staggered setup on this car. We had to fix the TPMS sensor, so we're just getting these on and we'll see how it looks. I had to take those other crappy tires off that were no longer good anymore. And yeah, I don't know, I'll probably just throw those back on the other car so that I have something to roll it around with before we take out the motor and transmission. All right, quick video. This is how everything looks stock. Taking some parts off of this one. Well, from there, over here. Quick transfer though. All right, tear down has started. Ripping this bumper off, getting some of these parts off. Taking all the good parts off of this car. Starting to put them on here. Getting these headlights ready to get them fully restored, clarified, and refinished. Yeah, just a little update though. We're in the process of taking parts off, putting parts on, putting in work right now. These wheels actually don't look bad on this car. All right, so we made some pretty good progress so far. Still taking some, I'm actually about to take this throttle body off right now. I'm getting prepared to swap it over. But we took off this mirror, some internal components, tail lights, external components, spoiler, all of that. So we'll probably keep taking a couple more things off. But so far, so good. Making good progress. Almost tripped. Yeah, we're making good progress. All right, we're about to swap this. All right, some more good progress is made on the gen, guys. We took, as I said, a bunch more parts off of this car. So today, took off the bumper, I still need to take off that headlight. I'm not gonna do it today. I need to also take off the transmission cooler. I won't do that today. But I took off the IAT relocation kit, both my catch cans, my strut bar, my 85 millimeter throttle body, and tail lights. Let's see, there was more that I took off the car too. I just can't even remember. Mirror. So yeah, pretty good progress so far. If you guys are local to the Bay Area, let me know. If you are local, you can feel free to come after I've taken everything off the car, take whatever you want off of it, free of charge. I'll be taking most of the things off, but whatever is left, that's good. Again, if you're in the Bay Area, hit me up. But pretty good progress. We've also debadged the car too. I'm in the process of getting the spoiler wrapped. So I'll be getting the spoiler wrapped. Have to figure out what I want to do with the bumper since it has a small blemish on it right there. Might get a new bumper, but we'll figure it out. But so far, we're getting back on track, guys. You already know. Don't worry about the license plate. That's not going to be permanent. But, oh man, all that crap. I also got to get the car retinted. Somebody asked about the tint bubbling on the back. I don't know. I live in California, so it doesn't snow here. I'm not worried about a defroster. If you care about a defroster, then I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe check out a couple of different tint shops and get the perspective, but it's gonna cost about probably $70 to $100 to remove the tint, and then you have to get it retinted. So I'm not 100% sure, honestly, about that question regarding the defrosting piece. But I honestly don't think it's that big of a deal, unless you live in like a very cold climate, which I don't. So hopefully that answers your question. But yeah. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys when I have another update, but I just wanted to get you guys a quick update on the car. You know, it's a little bit of work kind of taking stuff off. It's kind of annoying, but has to get done so we can get back up and running. But yes, do not forget, guys, to like the video. It's free. Click the subscription button, that big red box, and make sure you smash the bell so you're notified when I drop more content. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. And please do not forget, if you live in the Bay Area and you need parts for a gen, this gen is going to the scrapyard. So please message me if you are local, if you're within an hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours. If there's anything on this car that's worth it, let me know. Obviously the doors are pretty cooked, so I wouldn't go for those. But I don't know, if you want anything else in the car, trunks, interior accessories, seats, mirrors, sunroof, whatever, let me know. Gotta go.